Hello everyone and welcome back to Hacks with Christina. Today I'm going to show you how to cut your laundry drying time in half. You can use this method in a pinch if you need something dried quickly or if you just want to conserve energy. This method works for any size load of laundry. For today's video, I'm doing a small load because 30 minutes before my husband and I were supposed to leave the house, his clothes were still wet in the washing machine. This hack worked so well and we were out of the door when we needed to be. For this method, all you need to do is place the laundry in the dryer with a clean, dry bath towel. The towel is going to help absorb the moisture and get your laundry dried fast. When I took the clothes out of the dryer, they were completely dried, including some of the thicker parts of the clothing, like the shirt collar, waistband, and pockets. I hope this video was very helpful. Please comment, like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more hacks. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!